Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about ClickWages review. Just make sure that you watch this video because I'm going to disclose a lot of stuff here. Right, there's a lot of concern about this legitimacy of this ClickWages platform here, right? And why I'm saying this because the first thing is that ClickWages claim user can earn money simply by registering and participating in surveys. So this is not just a very unique concept. There's a lot of valid platforms which you can earn through surveys and everything, right, without any investment. But the promise is really high. It promises you like $10,000 bonus without any investment. Such offers are often red flags or scam because this is too good to be true. Right, and that's the reason there's a lot of articles on this stuff here. The website has a very low trust score, really low trust score here. And the trust score is 1 out of 100, right, on the scam advisor. The platform reportedly employs a referral system that resembles a pyramid scheme, right, just a MLM marketing, right, where earnings are primarily generated by recruiting others rather than through legitimate activities. There's also concern about this personal risk here, right? And there's a because of this information security, as signing up could expose your user identity, theft, and phishing attacks due to lack of transparency on this platform. So, given these points, the reviewers strongly advise uh, viewers to avoid click pages to protect their personal information and finances. So, just before going to into this, make sure you research it properly. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.